We serve 18 to 29-year-olds in our career pathway program, and these are young adults who would otherwise not have direct access to education or career for a whole host of reasons. We provide wraparound services to support kind of concrete barrier reduction in addition to workforce training pathways across business, IT, customer experience, and software. And then we also provide professional skills coaching and job matching in addition to a 6-month internship and career placement. We had 4 separate learning management systems used across the board. And so ultimately, what we were managing to were kind of individual markets, in siloed geographies, a lack of ability for kind of governance and quality assurance. And instead, now what we can do is create a standardized experience for all students in a given career pathway, and therefore standardized experience for all of our internship partners who are participating in the internship program. So we have a benchmark of knowledge, skills, and ability that our students enter the workforce with. Had we not had a unified system to be able to deploy that, we would still be talking about individualized, siloed markets and instructors kind of doing their own thing in their own classrooms in each of our cities versus breaking down this concept of geography and thinking about it at the career pathway level. And like, what does it mean to move from point A to point B as a young person who's pursuing a career in their respective pathway? So it's pretty exciting. Like, would we have gotten to career pathways without D2L and Brightspace? Or would it have taken us much longer to get there? Because the want and need to standardize has always been there. We just haven't had the engine or the mechanism to be able to do it. I think this is a great kind of full circle story because I think without D2L and Brightspace, I don't know that we would have been able to unite all of the services under Year Up.